Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve D3DX9 43.dll missing problem on Windows 11, 10, 8 or 7. So to resolve this problem, open any web browser like Chrome. Now search here. Now search here D3DX9 43.dll. Now here open this official link. This is the authentic website for DLL files, dll-files.com. So open this one. Now here guys, download 64-bit or 32-bit. So just you need to download one file and check out your system. Click on settings and here click on this about. So here you will see your system type, 64-bit operating system or 32 operating system. So as your PC requirement, download this file. Now wait for a few seconds. Now open this zip file and copy this DLL file. Now open this PC, C drive. Now here open Windows folder, this one. So open this Windows folder. Now here open folder system 32, this one. Now paste that copied file. Now click on replace, continue. Now close and restart your system. So this is the way guys you can fix and resolve D3DX9 43.dll missing problem. Just in 3 steps, visit that website, download file and copy and paste in system 32 folder and restart your system. So thanks for watching and comment guys this method work for you or not. And guys, if you like this video and this video is helpful, so please subscribe my channel for more useful videos.